Hi there, everybody. This is Marybeth here with American Bill Money. Thanks so much for stopping by on another American Bill Money video that I would like to provide you with a review, an update, and more continued results. On my American Bill Money journey over the past year, I've been successfully part of ABM now for one full year. Got started last June of 2017. American Bill Money has been successfully operating now for 15 years, since 2003, as a direct provider of leads to the home-based business industry. And they have helped many, many individuals to be able to earn an extra income. Let's face it, we all have residual bills that reoccur every month. Why not offset them with residual income through American Bill Money? This has been an amazing opportunity. Truly has been the best decision that I made a year ago, and I absolutely love American Bill Money. I can't say enough of good things about it. So today I invite you to take a close look at my wonderful company website that I've been using now very successfully. It does a great job of explaining this awesome opportunity. And as you can see here, there is a FAQ, frequently asked questions section. So you definitely want to check that out. There's a wonderful newsletter. Here's the links that you can preview a postcard and a cover letter. Go through here and check out the personal development area. And when you are ready to get started, this is what you're going to do. It's a really simple process to getting started with American Bill Money. Click the order button here. Drop-down menu will show up. Join ABM here. Click on that. You will need my ABM customer number, which is 5990, referred by my name, Marybeth. You'll be prompted to enter that information into the secure order form when you are ready to get signed up and get started. Then you'll just proceed on downward on this simple secure order form with all of your information. And once you have done so, you'll just simply click on the submit button. Your order will be shipped directly and sent off to American Bill Money to be processed. Okay, and then shortly thereafter, your marketing materials will get put together and get sent out to you, and you will receive them in the mail with your leads. And then you can go ahead and order your postcards. 1,000 for $75. You can do this every 6 months at this special promotional rate, or you can elect to go with $150 for $2,500 for 1 year. So you have two wonderful options to go with, and then the regular pricing is there that you can go ahead and review that. Order marketing materials, all that information is there for you, okay? So you can start off with getting 1,000 for $75, and that will take you through 6 months. Of course, you can reorder as many as you need to anytime. The price is just going to be, it's going to be regular pricing. Okay, so what you can do is go down here, review the postcard right here. These are the wonderful newly designed 15-year anniversary postcards. Beautiful, professional, double-sided, very, high quality, full gloss, front and back. Here is a 24-hour recorded presentation number. I do encourage you to call that. You can hear a complete overview. And this is really, really simple, folks. If you can advertise or mail a simple postcard, you can go on to build a wonderful residual income with American Bill Money over time. Really easy. All you have to do, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Place a postcard stamp here. Pill and stick lead label. You'll be getting these on a monthly basis from American Bill Money. You can reorder as many leads as you want to or need anytime you need them, and then just simply drop these in any blue mailbox or deliver them directly straight to your local USPS. Okay, and then you can go down through here and review all the information. Let American Bill Money help you. You definitely want to check this out. And here's the two options. $125 monthly auto ship, tells you exactly the details. And then there's also the 12-month prepaid plan. I upgraded to this last year. Again, it was one of the best decisions that I made. It's $1,500, and this qualifies you to earn the higher commissions, $900, It also, in addition, of course, to your $75 per person residually for every person that joins and remains active with you on a monthly basis. The prepay is a fabulous option. It really is, because it gives you 5,000 postcards as a bonus and 1,800 leads. So if you put those to good use and stay consistent mailing those out, the results will follow. They did for me anyways, okay? But, I've got to get it out there, as an income disclaimer. Of course, results are not typical, but they're very achievable and attainable if you just follow the simple proven system and either advertise American Bill Money online, the postcard, or consistently mail the postcard. Either way, you just need to take action, be consistent, and great results can come your way too. This is an awesome opportunity. I absolutely love it. So definitely be sure, check all this out, True Unlimited Leverage, and that explains everything there. Here's all the benefits for you. You can click here to sign up using the online secure order form. You can order 24/7. There is a number that you can call, operators standing by. If you would prefer to do it by phone, you have the option, or you can do it online, whatever your preference is. Either way, definitely you're in a great place at a great time if you're looking for a great, stable, solid residual income opportunity. ABM has been around now for 15 years, operating very successfully, A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and many, many members have come through the doors of American Bill Money and have gone on to get great results by putting the postcards to good use, of course. So here is a video of more happy customers. Definitely check that out. Here's 3 wonderful audio messages: what ABM sells, how you can get paid, customer comments and testimonials, and how to get started, and our phone number. So definitely check all of this out. And then there is Paul, the owner, so you can see, firsthand for yourself, review all of the important information about American Bill Money. I also do have a personal funnel, and I will put that link in the description as well so that you can review even more additional information about American Bill Money, abmpays.net, and my company website, abm5990.com, is where you will need to go to get started by simply clicking the order button when you are ready. And I have been mailing out these postcards now on a weekly basis, in addition to some simple, internet marketing that I do, continuing to, share ABM through these videos, which I will continue to do as well. And I do some simple posting on Facebook. The combination of the online with the mailing out of postcards, the offline being consistent every week, folks, has really done has served me very well. Gotten great results, and I've had much success over the past year with American Bill Money. Cannot wait to see what year 2 brings. I'm very excited to continue onward and upward with American Bill Money. These postcards are beautiful. Love these. This is the brand new postcard, and of course you can review it here. I also have been mailing out these wonderful, beautiful, double-sided, full color, very professional cover letters as well over the past year, and these work amazingly well too. They are optional, however, they definitely are very well worth the investment. So they come pre-folded, and all you have to do is insert a postcard into these, place these in a regular envelope, apply a regular stamp, a peel and stick label, seal up the envelope, and drop them in the mail. Super simple process, folks. And they are, like I said, absolutely beautiful. You can check these out here through the links. If you go here, you can view the postcard, view the cover letter. So definitely spend some time reviewing that. And here was another recent check that I received in the mail, dated the 15th of June. And it was for $505. So I just want to show you here. Have the bank information all covered up. And there is the date, there is the dollar amount of $505, and there's my name, payable to me from American Bill Money, another wonderful commission check. I've been receiving these every single week in my mailbox, just like clockwork, since I got started last June, and you can experience the same thing too, folks. It's a wonderful opportunity. It works. Here's just more continued proof. And like they say, documentation beats conversation. So I invite you to come inside, take a close look. You have any questions, feel free to connect with me on Facebook. I'll put the link to my Facebook below here. And you can also text or call me, 330-787-1795. My name is Marybeth Angelelli. I look forward to hopefully welcoming you in advance to my American Bill Money opportunity. And check it out. Any questions, connect with me. Be happy to help you to get started as soon as you're ready. You know what to do. Just go to my site here, abm5990.com, click on order, complete the form, and you will be in business too. Thank you so much for tuning in. I wish you nothing but the best with American Bill Money and hope that you have a wonderful summer 2018. Talk to you soon on the next video. Bye for now.